everyone, it's Cassandra from Marwick Marketing, back with another FAQ video. Have you ever wondered how long it takes to see results from SEO? Well, that's what we're talking about today, so if you're interested, then just keep watching. And if you'd like to know what SEO is or how SEO works, then check out the links to our other videos in the description box below. All right, so let's get started. So you've gone to a marketing agency. They've been spending months working on your account, and you're wondering how long until you start seeing some good results. This is a question that I get asked all the time. So a credible agency can actually never guarantee you specific results and when they're going to happen. And there's a lot of reasons for this, including your competition. So how much competition you have out there and how optimized they are, and also how quickly Google is going to index the changes that are made on your website. SEO is a long-term strategy. But think of it this way, once you start ranking for smaller volume keywords in your category, it's going to be easier and easier for you to start ranking for higher volume keywords in that same category. And the reason is Google is starting to view you as a credible source in that category. As a general rule of thumb, we say between months 4 to 6, you should be starting to see some good results. If you're interested in seeing what SEO can do for you, and let me just say it's hands down the #1 best investment that you can make for your business, then go ahead and click the link below, test your website, see where you're currently ranking, and give me a call. Thank you so much for watching this FAQ video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video from us, and go ahead and comment below if you have a pressing internet marketing question that you would like answered next week. See you guys later, bye!